Hello everyone. Welcome to your favorite astrology channel, Sitaro Ka Safar. I'm your astrologer N Baksh, and today we'll discuss a fascinating planetary event happening on December 29, 2024. Venus and Saturn will be conjunct in Gemini's ninth house, Aquarius. This house governs long-term planning, education, travel, and higher wisdom, making this a significant transition for Geminis. If you want to prioritize your goals and take a disciplined approach, this could mark the beginning of a transformative phase in your life. Let's delve into how this transit will impact you. Venus, the planet of harmony, creativity, and luxury, brings the following effects when it transits through Gemini's ninth house. This is the best time for higher education and acquiring new skills, especially in creative fields. Gemini individuals can expect a productive phase during this time. You'll successfully understand your goals better and adopt new perspectives. Venus's influence will encourage long distance or overseas travel, expanding your knowledge and experiences. This could be beneficial for both personal and professional growth. This is a positive time for foreign collaborations or partnerships, with Venus providing you with opportunities to connect with influential people. Saturn, the planet of hard work, discipline, and slow but steady progress, brings the following effects when placed in Gemini's ninth house with Venus. You'll become more organized and practical about your long term goals and ambitions. Saturn's disciplined nature ensures that you focus on well thought out actions rather than impulsive decisions. Saturn will create challenges, but their purpose is to strengthen you spiritually and intellectually. You will feel a pull towards understanding life's deeper lessons. This time is perfect for spiritual growth and self awareness. Practices like meditation or engaging with philosophical pursuits will be impactful for Geminis. Learning, traveling, and self improvement will prove very fruitful for Geminis. This period offers the chance to step into a new phase of life. It's time for important decisions, but remember, patience and planning are key. This is crucial for long term stability and progress. Professional mentorship and connections will support both your personal and career growth, especially international opportunities, which will be beneficial during this time. Saturn's influence means results may come slowly, but they will be long lasting and sustainable. This time will guide you towards spiritual insights and exploring the larger picture of life. For those in fields like teaching, law, or research, this transit will be highly productive. Let us now see how you can maximize the benefits of this transit. Invest in acquiring new skills or education, whether formal or informal. This could be a game changer for your future goals. Results won't come instantly, so don't get discouraged. Saturn's discipline ensures that your consistent efforts will be meaningful and impactful in the long run. Ignore short term distractions and focus on your future plans. Venus and Saturn together will bring maturity and clarity to your path. Focus on travel, collaboration, and global platforms. This is a time to expand your horizons and connect internationally. So, this was the detailed analysis of the Venus Saturn conjunction in the ninth house for Geminis. This transit brings both challenges and growth, along with numerous possibilities. If you stay disciplined and focused, it could serve as a powerful turning point in your journey. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to Sitaro Ka Safar, like and share the video, and don't forget to leave your questions and feedback in the comment section. If you'd like a detailed personal birth chart or Kundli analysis, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. I'll meet you again with more horoscopes soon. Until then, take care and stay focused.